open the Google Play Store on your device and tap your profile icon in the top corner. From there, go to Payment and Subscriptions, then tap Payment Methods. On this screen, scroll down until you see More Payment Settings and select it. This will open the Payment Settings area connected to your Google account. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for Country and Profiles, or Country and Region depending on your device, and then choose the option to create a new profile. After that, tap Continue. You will then be asked to enter the payment and country information for your new location. Fill in the required details carefully and make sure the payment method is local and valid for that country. When everything is entered correctly, press Submit. At that point, your new country profile will begin updating in Google Play. Keep in mind that the change may not always happen instantly, so if you do not see it right away, give it some time and check again later. If the option never appears, it usually means your location or payment method does not meet Google's requirements yet. And that's how to change country settings in Google Play Store.